Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this tutorial we'll write a Python program to print square number of given integer number. Square numbers are the numbers which are produced when a value is multiplied by itself. For example, square number of 5 is 5 multiply 5, that is 25. 25 is the square number of 5, or we can say 25 is the square of 5. 4 square is 4 into 4, that is 16. 16 is the square number or square of 4. Alright, so let's write the program. So in the Python file, first step is we need to take the input from the user. Here user input is an integer number. So let's take a variable and we'll use input function to take input, write a message. And here I'm using Python 3, and in Python 3 by default this input function will take input as string value, but here we want an integer input. That's why I'll use this int function to convert that string input to integer input. Here we'll enter a number and in the output we'll get the square of that number, square number of that integer number. Alright, then next step is to get the square number, we need to multiply that number with itself. So first I'll take a variable to store result. So result, and here I'll multiply that number with itself. Here num multiply num. Now let's print the result. Square number of num is result. So our output is stored in this variable result, right? And we'll print that here. So now we are done with the program. The first step is take input. Second step is we need to multiply that number with itself. Then we'll print the result. Okay, let's save this and run this. Enter a number. So I'll enter 5. Square number of 5 is 25. If I take 25 as the input, here 625. So this is how we can find the square number of given integer number or square of the given integer number. Alright, that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in next class. Till then, take care.